Welcome to the School of Smart Thinking. Today we are going to discuss the topic subtraction. Here the sum is 1 by 4 from minus 3 by 8. So we need to subtract 1 by 4 from minus 3 by 8. So in this case we have to write minus 3 by 8 first because it was asked that question was 1 by 4 from minus 3 by 8. So we'll subtract 1 by 4 from minus 3 by 8. So to do the subtraction, we need to find the LCM of 8 and 4. 8 comma 4. 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4. 2 ones are 2. And so LCM is equal to 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So keep the LCM here. 8, 8 ones are 8. So minus 3 into 1 it will become minus 3. So the sum is subtraction. So we'll keep the symbol as subtraction only. 4 twos are 8. So 1 into 2 it is 2. Minus 3 and minus 2 it will become minus 5 by 8. So answer is minus 5 by 8. We'll try to solve one more example as minus 2 by 7 minus 3 by minus 14. In this case it was directly asked that we had to subtract minus 2 by 7 minus 3 by minus 14. Here it is minus and minus. So minus into minus it will become plus. So we'll do minus 2 by 7 minus into minus is plus 3 by 14. So we had to do here 7 and 14 LCM. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So LCM is 7 into 2 is equal to 14. So keep the LCM here. 7 twos are 14. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 plus 14 ones are 14. So 3 into 1 it will become 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 by denominator is 14. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. So minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 by 14. So here in this case it was asked that 1 by 4 from minus 3 by 8. So we had to write minus 3 by 8 first, then minus 1 by 4 next. In this case it was directly asked to subtract. So we have written the minus 2 by 7 first and 3 by minus 14 here. So we have got the answer as minus 5 by 8 and minus 1 by 14. Thank you.